Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. I just was a little bit bored inside the house and I decided to make another video. I chose to talk about my Dapple Dandy Pluot. Talking about it with the sun would have been a little bit better, but it's okay. There's a lot of contrast between the sky and the branches. And the reason why I'm going to talk about the Dapple Dandy Pluot, here's some of the fruit clusters. I have the light on the phone. You can see all of them. There's a lot. Every branch is full. Every branch you see has that much on it. Okay, so the reason why I'm going to talk about it, let me get a little close here, is because of the growth rate of it. Here's the cutting I did when I pruned. I prune about my head height every winter. So here's the cut here, and it grew up and up and up. This is one season. Up. Keep going. More, 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 more. Okay, so I didn't measure this. I should have before I started this video. 9, almost 10 feet of growth from that point. 9 to be sure, safe side, but I can attest that if I measure it, it may be 10 feet of growth, and we're not even done with the season. We're not even done. So that's huge grower. I mean, the growth from another angle. Here's the prune right here from winter, and we'll follow this branch. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? I almost want to just keep it this way, just so I can have a nice big tree to get some shade for everything, but I can't pick fruit way up that high. It's just going to be bird food. It doesn't make no sense. And if there is fruit up there, what's going to happen? Ooh, it's not gonna even work. So I always prune to my height, and then I prune to my reach, and that's as high as I want the fruit to be. I don't want to get a ladder to get my fruit. No, it's kind of late, but like I said, it's good contrast. You can see it directly at what the branches are. So here's my roof line. The roof is about 9 feet high, and there are the branches way towering way over it. All right, everyone, happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.